Hey there, welcome to Mikey Conquers the Kitchen. I'm Mikey, and for today's kitchen hack, we are going to test out this 2-in-1 oil sprayer slash dispenser, which I'm pretty excited about, other than the fact that it does that, because I've had this little guy for a couple years, and it is for sure a game changer. They're both under 10 bucks. I'll leave links in the description. But if you're not familiar, it's basically a squirt bottle for cooking oil, which has several advantages. Number one being it's going to save you money because it's going to replace those aerosol cans that you get at the grocery store that you throw away after every use. This is basically a refillable version of that. Another advantage is you know exactly what kind and quality oil you're putting into it. So that I have a video coming up about which oil to use for what you're cooking, which, spoiler alert, has more to do with the smoking point of the oil than it does the actual flavor of the oil. I used to be a person that used olive oil for anything that I was cooking. Olive oil has a low smoking point, which means it will start to smoke at a lower temperature than other oils. But so if you're one of those people who every time you cook something the smoke alarm goes off, you might want to check this video out. But let's get back to what we're doing here. So this is my little guy that I've had. I love it. One of the things that I don't love so much is the hole to put the oil in is pretty small. It does come with a funnel, but you know, still, whatever. It's not my favorite thing about it. However, I do love this guy. So I'm going to show you what it does. This little, you can see it's not quite as fine as what the aerosol can would do, but it does the exact same thing. And like I said, you know what kind of oil is in there. I hope you can see this with the camera. Trying to hold it at different angles for you. But let's get to testing out this new one, which I'm pretty excited about because, like I said, I've had this guy for a couple years and I absolutely love it. But like I said, the hole's small to put the oil in, and this one has a big wide opening, so it's going to be very easy. And the other thing that I'm excited about is it has this little button that you push so you can actually pour the oil or squirt it. So let's fill her up and see what she does. I'm using canola oil to fill it up because that's what I had in my cabinet. I don't want to give away the name brand, but it rhymes with disco. Alright, let's try it out. I'm going to give it a couple taps just to get it going. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, that's a much finer mist than this one gave. Wow, that's pretty impressive. It does come out in kind of a straight line. So wow, yeah, if you move it a little bit, that's pretty awesome. Oh yeah. Let's see. Do a little flip thing, which I'm pretty, that's cool. That's cool. Hey, look at that. Wow. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up for sure. And I'm pretty excited to have two of these guys together. So make sure you check out my next video that's going to be about the smoking point of oils. But I'm going to give this review. This is a pretty good one. I'm definitely happy with this. Like I said, this was, I think, $8.99 on Amazon. So I mean, that's a steal when you think about how much money it's going to save. But anyway, let me get out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe and like the video. I'm just starting out and coming back after a few years off, so it's great to see you guys that have been there from the beginning. But the new people, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for tuning in to Mikey Conquers the Kitchen. Bye.